How do you create a custom property in HubSpot? In other CRMs, this could be known as fields. Essentially, it is a way to capture information, for example, the date of birth, or you want to capture region information for lead routing or for deal records. You want to capture specific information for reporting purposes. The first thing you need to know is what is it going to be used for. For example, it is just to capture the date of birth of the person. You want to create a date type property. Or you want to use it for region, then you want to capture which region that this person is in. So after you've decided what type of property is needed, what you will need to do is log into your HubSpot account, head over to the settings page by clicking on this gear icon. On the left sidebar, you're going to scroll down to properties. This is going to be on a form. So it is going to be a contact property. You can switch to the other different objects by clicking on that and choosing the other objects, but I'm going to go ahead with contact properties, and I'm going to click on create property. Because this is going to be used for lead routing, and it's going to be identifying the region that the contact record is in the US, I want to use a drop-down select. This ensures that they are able to select from a list of, let's say, I'm splitting the US into 4 different regions for lead routing. And once you have keyed in the different options, you can get a rule set up. So in this case, I want it to be available on forms. In terms of managing access, I want to allow everyone to view and edit, or for some reason you want this to only be able to be viewed by people and not editable, then that's how you do it. Or you want it assigned to specific users and teams. You can expand to select specific people, or you can select specific teams. Or you want this to be private to super admins only, so that no one can ever edit this property. But in this case, I'm going to click allow everyone to view and edit. And the moment you hit create, this is a confirmation that the property has been created. You can click on view properties. Let me go back. You can click on view properties to look at the property that you just created. Clicking on it will show you the property. This is the property label, which is the name of the property. And if you go to field type, then you will be able to see the options that you have added. To add another option, for example, for people who are not in the US, you can just add an other and then click save. Click on view property to bring you back to the property that you have just created. And that's it.